Okay, pre-cal students, welcome to this very quick part 2, part of your homework assignment, of course. This part 2 only has one problem on it, but I think if you'll ignore all this writing up here and just follow what I do step by step, you'll be fine, okay? Okay, if you go back to your black bold print above number 65, it says that the resistance varies directly with the length and inversely with the area of the wire. So there's the formula or the model. Now, coming over here, you understand, guys, the first thing I have to do is solve for K. Okay? And so that's what I did down here, by the way. And so, in order to solve for K, I had to put some numbers in for these variables. For example, for R right here, I put 64.9, okay? Because it says a 28 gauge copper wire has a resistance of 64.9 ohms per 1,000 feet. Now that part right there kind of stumped me, and now I see how that came into play, okay? That's going to be your length. But anyways, so I'm trying to solve for K. So for R I put 64.9, okay? For L, the length, I put 1,000 because we have 1,000, it's 1,000. And now the area, I had to find the area of this, of the front of the cord, the wire. So they gave me a diameter of 0.0126. So how do you find the area of a circle? Because you guys know that a wire, of course, is a circular shaped object. So, well, area equals pi r squared. So I took the diameter, I divided it by 2, and that gave me the radius. So I put this in for the radius. When I typed this whole thing in my calculator, I came up with this right here. So there's my area. So that's why I have this number right here, over here. Okay, so let's go over this again very quickly. I have to solve for K. So in order to solve for K, I have to put a number in for R, I have to put a number in for L, and I have to put a number in for A. And A is the area, and I found the area over here. Okay, now next, I just had to very simply solve this equation for K. So I multiplied both sides by 0.0001246. When I did that, over here it canceled out, leaving me with this. And over here, 64.9 times 0.0001246 gave me this number right here. Okay? Then I divided both sides by 1,000, and I finally had K. So I rewrote my model right here. Here's my model. Here's my R. Here's my R. Here's my A. Here's my A. Here's my L. Here's my L. However, for K, I put this number here because that's what K equals. Okay? So moving on. Now, next, they said what length. So I know I'm looking for L, so I left L alone. Okay? Of a 28 gauge copper. Now remember, a 28 gauge copper has this diameter here. So I knew if my diameter had not changed, then my area hadn't changed. So for A, I put this for my area right here, the same number I used before. For my resistance R, I put 33.5 because it says, what is the length of a wire producing a resistance of 33.5 ohms? So there it is, guys. Now just solve for L. So I multiplied both sides by 0.0001246, and I got this. Then I divided both sides by